Hi, this is Brian with Rocky Mountain Snow Guards, and today we're going to be going over the ST11 or the 11-inch snow trapper. So this is made out of an 032 Kynar coated aluminum. It's also available in a 24-ounce copper. It has a low-profile half-round pad face, so it's going to look good on your roof. This one, the 11-inch, is used for both new installation and retrofit installation. So I'm going to briefly go through the installation instructions here. On a retrofit installation, we're going to have to face fasten through here. So we're going to fasten through the guard, through the roofing material, and into the decking. So we need to worry about waterproofing. First thing we do is we put down a bead of urethane sealant where the guard's going to be placed. We then place the guard and fasten it with 3 of our Woodbinder screws. The Woodbinders are fantastic for keeping water out of the penetrations. The urethane layer underneath is going to provide an additional water barrier. On a new installation, once you've laid the course that the shingles or the snow guards are going to go on, you would then place the snow guard with a portion that will be fastened above the headlamp. Once you've done that, then you would at that point put in the fasteners. On a new installation, it's going to be ring shank nails or roofing nails. As long as they're above the headlamp, it's going to work. So once then, you would then lay the next course on top of it, and that next course is going to provide the waterproofing for that. If you have any questions on this product or any of our other products, feel free to reach out. Our phone number is 720-379-7756. Our email address is info@rockymountainsnowguards.com. Thank you.